It's not your genetics, it's your lifestyle. You're not aging, you're destroying yourself. Every smoke, every drink, every late night, every I'll start tomorrow is literally showing up on your face. The scariest part, you don't even see it day to day. But one day you're gonna wake up, look at yourself in the mirror. Who's that old dude? Right? It's you. Gentlemen, today I'm going over some lifestyle habits that are cooking your looks, robbing you of energy, and aging you ahead of schedule. If you fix these, you are gonna feel and look 10 years younger. All right, so number one, alcohol. If you're drinking alcohol, unfortunately, it is the silent face killer. It's gonna make you retain water, it's gonna make you look puffy, it's also going to damage your skin and collagen long term. It also is typically going to break capillaries in and around your nose, your eyes are gonna get darker. Alcohol ruins looks. Number two is smoking, cigarettes or vaping, and weed. Actually, we'll talk about that in a second. But smoking and nicotine basically constricts capillaries, which means it's reducing oxygen to your face. By doing this over time, it honestly is going to ruin you by creating wrinkles. It's also going to make your skin look a little bit more ashy. It's going to lose elasticity, all right? If you ever seen somebody that's like smoked for a long time, they always look old. Number three is weed. THC reduces testosterone level. Not to mention, the THC does impact sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, you're gonna see it in your face. It's going to age you super quick. A lot of people that are chronic smokers, they look old, all right? Not only does it affect their face, you're gonna get puffy, your eyes are gonna look bad because you're not getting the quality sleep that you should. Your teeth are also gonna get discolored. Yellow teeth make you look old, which brings me to a lack of sleep. If you're not sleeping enough, there's no way that you're going to look young and healthy forever, all right? If you're getting shit sleep, your skin is gonna suffer, your testosterone level drops, your growth hormone, it drops. It also is the time at which your body heals and replenishes the things that were lost during the day. And so if you're not sleeping, there's no chance you're looking good, and you're gonna look older faster than somebody that gets a solid 7 to 8 hours of slumber. Number five is eating too much processed food. Processed food ruins you. Not only what it does to your hormones, it ruins your face. It increases the chance of acne, not to mention you gaining weight. Number six is too much caffeine. In moderation, caffeine is fine. It's actually good for you, but overdoing it will dehydrate you. But the other thing that happens is it basically spikes your cortisol level, the stress hormone, which also ages you fast. Number seven is too much sun without an SPF, all right? So sun damage is a thing. It is one of the things that ages your skin super fast. You've got to make sure that the moisturizer you're using has an SPF of at least 20. And when you're going outside, you need to really cover up, honestly, unless you're okay with having skin that looks like saggy balls. Speaking of balls, because I want yours to smell as good as mine, I got a deal for you that you don't want to miss, all right? Right now, if you hit the link down below, you're going to get these two products for $20. You're gonna get the talc-free ball powder, the best powder on the market. It has won awards, and then the #1 best natural deodorant on the market, all right? It is a eucalyptus spearmint, and the thing that I love so much is that these two products are not gonna jack up your endocrine system, which is something else that ages you. It also drops your testosterone. Hit the link down below. Do not wait. This is a limited deal. It's not gonna last, so if you're interested in grabbing both of these amazing products for $20, do it now. The next thing, making you look older faster, is too much screen time. Whether or not you realize this or not, the blue light actually damages your skin. It also makes you squint. And when you squint and make that scrunchy look with your face, it's actually going to increase the crow's feet and the dark circles on your eyes, which is going to make you look old. Next thing is not drinking enough water, all right? Water is one of the most important things that you can do in order to always look good. Hydration is critical for your skin to look good, for your body to do what it needs to do, to flush toxins. If you are not drinking a gallon of water a day, you are aging yourself fast. And if you combine that with number 10, which is eating a diet that's high in sodium, unfortunately, you are a puffy, bloated mess. All right? It's gonna make you look fat, it's gonna make you look old, it's gonna make your face just not look good. It's also gonna make you chubby. By reducing the salt, increasing the water, your body will actually flush and not hold on to that subcutaneous water. It's gonna make you look leaner, healthier, younger, and sexier. Number 11 is stress. When you're stressed, your cortisol level goes up. Cortisol is the stress hormone that basically breaks down and annihilates collagen. All right, you got to get and manage your stress. If not, you're not going to feel good, you're not going to look good, and you're going to honestly get old faster. Number 12 is sitting all day. Few things that happens. If you're sitting all day, your testosterone level is going to drop. Your lack of activity also wreaks havoc on a lot of other bodily functions, not to mention your posture is going to be shitty. When your posture is bad, it makes you look old, right? Old men have weak posture. Don't be an old man. 13 is not lifting weights. When you lift weights, your testosterone level skyrockets, your muscle mass gets bigger, you feel better, you look younger. It's like literally like the youth potion. Working out, eating right, living a clean lifestyle. These are the things that are going to keep you looking younger. All right, when you don't work out, you're going to get man boobs. All right, man boobs make you look older, also a little feminine. When you get a dad bod, once again, it's about oldness, right? Young, handsome, sexy stallions don't have dad bods. Number 14 is not managing your mental health. Now, this one is a weird one, but think about it. When you're stressed out or when you're just anxious, it affects you in a lot of unhealthy ways. Your sleep is going to generally be worse. Your diet is going to be worse because you're going to use that to basically like try to offset some of the feelings. You're probably going to be drinking more alcohol, substance abuse. It happens. You've got to get your mental health in check. One of the reasons why I exercise as much as I do is because not only does it make my body look good, it makes me feel good, but mentally it allows me to kind of decompress and deal with a lot of the issues that I had during the day. It makes everything better. But when you're stressed, when you're emotional, when you're not dealing with your emotional issues, it ruins you. Number 15 is oral hygiene. All right, if you're not paying attention to your teeth, your gums, your gingivitis, your crusty, nasty plaque that builds up, right? Oh my God, old man fast, all right? Bleeding gums, puffy gums, nasty teeth that are discolored. Once again, it just ages you. It also isn't healthy. You've got to make sure you're going to the dentist at least once a year, in my opinion, twice a year for regular cleanings. But bottom line is you've got to floss, you've got to brush, you've got to do what you need to do in order to have a strong oral hygiene game. Number 16 is poor sleep hygiene. All right, going to bed dirty, not good. Laying in dirty sheets that you never change or on a dirty, filthy, nasty, stinky, bacteria-covered pillowcase, not good. It's going to mess up your face. It's also going to give you acne. Which brings me to skincare. You're skipping it. Guys, here's the deal. You don't need to have 27 products. You need a few basic things every day. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night. Moisturize, morning and night. And then if you want a little bonus extra, you want to look young longer, eye cream, important. Exfoliate mildly twice a week, and then use some type of anti-aging serum. Retinol is also another incredible product that you can use in order to really reverse and fight aging. Next up is neglecting recovery. Never slowing down. You've got to decompress. You've got to take time to just kind of chill. If not, you're always going to be going and your body is never going to be able to heal. All right, the next thing is binge drinking. All right, partying on the weekends. This is one of the things that will age you fast. You look at people that you knew back in the day that still live like a hard partying lifestyle, they look older than the dudes that live a clean lifestyle that aren't going out drinking and doing bad things. Which brings me to the next thing, which is negative social circles. When you're around people that are facilitating your bad behavior, you're going out, you're drinking, you're smoking, you're doing things you shouldn't be doing, sleeping with people you shouldn't be sleeping with, it affects you. You're gonna stay up late, you're gonna eat shitty, you're gonna be drinking too much, you're gonna be partying, living that lifestyle. It ages you. It literally ages you fast and it catches up with you. The next thing is hustle culture. And this one is a little bit like, wait, what? But hustle culture is something that will age you. If you're somebody that is burning all the time, right? You're always like grinding, never sleeping enough, never taking a break, always in front of your computer. And the last thing, I said last thing, but bonus is style. If you dress old, you're gonna look old. Dress young without looking like you're trying too hard. It's about owning your style, identifying a style that works for you, upgrading the pieces and items that need to be upgraded, and not dressing like your weird Uncle Barry or your math teacher. Remember that dude, right? He was 27, but because he dressed like an old man, you're like, oh my God, I thought he was 58. Gentlemen, don't look like your math teacher or weird Uncle Barry.